In the midst of a global pandemic, Israel, a key strategic defense partner and India's largest arms supplier, is in great state of disturbance. Nation is facing protests from citizens across the country. Critics say Netanyahu's failure to deal with the coronavirus crisis is influencing these protests. Allegations of corruption against the Prime Minister have also caused protests over the past few weeks. The Jerusalem District High Court on 26 July ordered PM Benjamin Netanyahu to appear in court to answer the allegation against him on corruption charges. The charges include bribery, fraud, breach of trust in 3 separate cases. Netanyahu is the first Prime Minister in the history of Israel to stand in trial while in office. The PM's office, of course, is denying these allegations. On Saturday evening, thousands of protesters focused on demanding the resignation of Prime Minister over allegation of corruption and his government's handling of coronavirus epidemic. In Jerusalem, protesters filled the street outside Paris Square and the Prime Minister residence, where protests have been increasing in recent weeks. A police spokesman said that the protest, which began at 8 am, involved around 1,000 people and it lasted for about 5 hours. Saturday night's demonstration included hundreds of different types of homemade signs handwritten in Hebrew, Arabic, English and some sort of emojis. Some were violent and angry, saying Mussolini, Ceausescu and Gaddafi also refused to resign. Some being childish, saying Bibi Zibi. Zibi is the Hebrew slang for no way. Some being clever, said that Voldemort would be better. And some being political, saying there has never been a democracy here. After what has been called a hasty reopening of economy in May, infection shot up with an average of 2,000 new cases daily. The country's economy has collapsed by various restrictions and the employment rate has reached around 20%. The protesters say that there are no proposals for financial support from the government. There has been an increase in newly confirmed cases every day since the uplifting of lockdown announced in May, and this could lead to more anti-government protests. Israel currently has more than 35,000 active coronavirus cases with under 100 patients on ventilators. Some 27,000 have fully recovered. That's all for today's video. Leave your thoughts in comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.